Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. What's going on? Thanks, G. Yeah, I feel so much better today, guys. I just needed to sleep that off. But thank you guys for all the kind words. I appreciate it. All right, let's just give it a couple minutes, guys. Let some people hop on here and then we will get started. All right, let's get into it. Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys all had a great day yesterday. I'm going to be going over a couple plays that I'm currently seeing right now. Let's look at the first one. I'm cheating on my bay, so I think I'm going to hit Nvidia, and I'm going to show you why that this setup is looking good at the moment. If you put a line or a level at 600, right? Where is it? We put a line at 600. You see the previous days, guys. Every time we came above 600, we sold off. Every single time we touched 600, we sold off. We ended up gapping up over 600 without confirmation of 600 being a support. So I'm currently bearish on Nvidia to 600. Of course, I'm going to be watching the price action. But probably around the 604s area, I'm going to be looking for shorts. Okay, so this is a play that I'm seeing right now throughout the day that I do want to hit for Nvidia. I'm going to be going safe on it because I usually don't trade Nvidia, guys. But this is exactly what I want. One sec. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do, I want to look at SPY. So let's move to SPY. Sorry, I was just reading the chat, guys. Where is it? SPY right here. Okay, so we ended up gapping up immensely in the pre-market, guys. We do have a strong bullish trend at the moment. We have news coming out today, guys, at 9:45 a.m. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to the news. I'm going to make sure I'm not going to be in any trade before 9:45 a.m. Eastern time. But what I am looking at is it's hard for me to be bullish up here. We do not have a lot of data. So when it comes to SPY, I'm just going to be trading the price action and not key levels because clearly we don't have any key levels at the moment. But this is exactly what we're going to be doing. This is what how I'm going to be trading this. So I'm going to end up putting a line at 487.87. I'm going to be looking at the pre-market earlier resistance. Around 487.23, and then I see a floor down here, potential floor at 486.96, so pretty much 487. And then after that, guys, we have 486.50 and then 486. So it's extremely difficult for me to be bullish at these levels because we don't have anything above, right? The only key psychological number we have above is 500. I personally think we may get a rug before 500. I know Dimitri's on the same page as myself. You have to. It's just what Dimitri just texted. Well, I was just in a conversation with him, and he was saying you got to think like market makers. A lot of people are expecting this to go to 500, right? They're not going to let everyone win. So, I'm not going to be bullish at this level. I'm not going to be buying calls. I'm going to be looking for a short position, especially if we see the pre-market high, guys, act as a support. I'm probably just not going to trade SPY. So I'm going to be venturing out of my daily of what I usually do, and I'm going to be picking other stocks with great setups. Like Nvidia is a great setup at the moment. And one second. And that's all I'm going to be focusing on. Yeah, I will go over the Nvidia trade again, guys. So if you see the 600 is a big psychological number for Nvidia. Every time we came above it, guys, we kept selling off, right? And then we finally broke above it without retesting this. I have a feeling before Nvidia goes any higher, we will make 600 a support. So until then, I'm a little bit more bearish, but I don't usually trade Nvidia, right? So I'm going to be going extra safe contracts. I haven't looked at any contracts yet. I will keep you updated in the Discord, but for right now, like the 60450s, I'm going to be looking to take a short, and I will stop out if we break pre-market high 606.33. That's what I'm paying attention to at the moment. What else? Let's take a look at Apple. Apple has a better chart to trade, guys, and it does move with SPY. So if you would like to trade Apple today, it's a lot easier. You could put a high of day from Monday. You could put a high of day from Tuesday. You could put a low of day from. You get what I'm saying? So it's going to be a lot easier to trade Apple today, in my opinion. But remember, guys, these stocks right now are on a crazy, crazy bullish run at the moment. So that's all.
What's up, guys? What's up? Can you guys hear me? Yes, no? Magnet Gang, there we are. Damn, Steve with the G-Wagon. I see you, big dog.
What's going on?
Big dog status, Bell Harbor. Hey.
Respect. It's a G550 though. It's not the 6.3.
Who gives a fuck, bro? Show me somebody else with a G-Wagon.
Respect, bro.
Right? If you can't show me the keys to the G, then nobody can have a comment on it. Your opinion don't count if you ain't got the G.
What's going on?
What's up, guys?
Today?
Guys, so get your pens out. I'm gonna give you a couple plays. All right.
Sniper bot. Type this down in Mo's channel, please.
Thank you. Well, I can copy paste it from my notes. Sniper bot, you don't have to. I can just copy paste it from my notes. I already have it typed out for my people. But guys, here's what I'm looking at is so I swung Snow, AMD, WBA, and DWAC. I lost on DWAC, but it was a lighter position than Snow and AMD. But I do want to point out something for you guys real quick. Let me pull these up. If Snow can get over 213, a little bit of an echo. So what we're looking at, guys, opening drive, right? So the opening drive is you maintain the momentum in those first 5-6 minutes. You guys have seen where we've taken trades and the stock has already been up high. We've talked about this on one of the podcasts, I believe. And so when the stock is already booming, you do want to take that opening drive momentum for the first 2 minutes. You go heavy, boom, done, in and out. Your day is done for. in a positive way. So we want to see snow over 213. It has room to 215 and then 218.33. I'm going to write all this down for you guys. Okay. So just keep your eyes on snow. And it shouldn't be that expensive. You can take the 220 or 225 strike. Snow is noise. That's funny because, yeah, I'm not going to go. Take the spy. All right, so fuck my levels. Easy as that.
So guys, my A1 setup so far is going to be NVIDIA. I'm paying very close attention to NVIDIA, guys. I feel like we can get a 3-point drop in NVIDIA to 600. That's what I'm going to be paying attention to. The reason why I don't really care for SPY is because I have to let the chart develop more because we don't have any key levels. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to the price action of SPY, to the rejection from the micro levels that we have from just the pre-market. That's what I'm going to be trading in the price action. Other than that, NVIDIA, there's a better chart to play. Apple is a better chart to play. Just stick to stick to stocks that have good charts with high liquidity. You don't always have to trade SPY. Like I used to not trade SPY when SPY was kept breaking all-time highs. So sometimes it's easier to trade a stock that you actually have a chart to work off of. Okay, so moving forward to today, NVIDIA. I want NVIDIA puts, and if NVIDIA breaks out of the pre-market high, guys, I no longer want NVIDIA, and we'll come back to this tomorrow. Again, this is for options, but we will be focusing on, I guess we have a lot of futures, so obviously we're going to be focusing on SPY today as well, guys, in the Qs, but for right now, I'm not liking any great setup. Like if I was to enter a play in SPY, I would literally buy a short right here because it's like it's at near the 50% retracement of the drop. It could make a lower high, but I'm not going to do that. But anyways, YouTube, I'm going to get going to the Discord right now, guys. We are going to be hitting some plays. If you guys would like to be part of the Discord, we have a 5-day free trial, guys. The link is in the bio. And make sure you stay tuned for my video tonight. I apologize about not making one yesterday. I was sick, but I feel so much better today. So thank you guys for being here this morning. I appreciate it, and I'll see everyone tonight. Take care, guys.